Number 4, the ears.
2 round ears, just like Mickey's ears.
I have a suspicion where they went.
Good thing I have a giant telescope.
Gosh,
Where is the big telescope?
How about a peek there, Mickey?
gee, sure thing, Professor. Come on, look with me. Let's find the clubhouse ears.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas: Clark, Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah, Washington, Oregon, at 10:18 a.m. on November 5th, 2018, effective until 12:18 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system through broadcast stations in the greater Portland/Vancouver area, including Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah and Washington counties in Oregon, and Clark County in Washington, with the cooperation of public safety, broadcasters, and cable operators. This system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency in Vancouver, Washington. This concludes this test message.
Gosh, but how are we going to get to them?
Well, to get them, we can take the clubhouse rocket.
Great idea, Minnie. Come on, co-pilots.